What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have something I've been wanting for a long time. Now, you might say, why have a heart? Well, for one, is to make sure that you genuinely a good person. And two, it's a good tool to have. All right, just kidding, you guys. All right, so if y'all want some specs, I'm gonna give you some specs. For one, this is battery powered. Of course, you know that already. 20 volts of power. Now the torque is up to 35 foot-pounds. The RPM is 0 to 230. Of course, this is a 3/8 socket. This is not a 1/2 inch, so sorry for the 1/2 inch fans. Coming in at 1.9 pounds, and the length is 14 1/4 or 14.25 inches. All right, so once again, you might say, why heart? Why have a heart? And I'm gonna tell you another reason. Most of us live close to a Walmart. If you live close to a Home Depot, then you know that's good. You can get yourself a Ryobi or whatever else. But for me, I am closer to Walmart. I will have to go all the way out there, like I think about 6 or 7 miles to Home Depot. I know it's not that far, but guess what? Walmart is like 1 mile away, and I saw this product. Anyway, let's go ahead with the unboxing. All right. Now I was gonna get a Ryobi one, but like I said, at that time I didn't get it. All right, so right here you have a lock key, so you can't press the trigger and unlock. You can press the trigger. It comes with a battery, comes with a charger. This thing I think is 130 something, but once again, you can't really beat that because guess what? You get your battery and you get a charger. Of course, you get your instructions, but guess what? We don't need instructions. No, we might need it. Let's see. Y'all hold on while I see if there's anything important. Batteries in. And we have power. All right, also have a light right here. All right. Check out the action. We got take off, and then we have put on. And no, it don't tell you. You just have to look. If it's righty, it's tighty. If it's lefty, if it's going left, it's loosening. If you go right, it's tightening. So it don't tell you on here. That was way better than using a regular socket. If I was using my Pittsburgh socket wrench, I would have took forever with that. I'm gonna put my reducer on there. So it's hard to take off of the socket. So maybe you might need some WD-40, I don't know, but it's been hard for me. So what I've been doing was sticking a screwdriver in here and popping it out, but you know, we'll figure that out later. You see how this ball is just easy to go in and out? So when you put this in and you take it out, you see how that's easy just to put in and take out? It's actually hard to take off. So I don't know if that's a good thing for y'all or a bad thing, but you will need a screwdriver to get this whatever attachment you have on your battery socket. Got one screw there. One screw there. Just doing a demonstration to show y'all. And that's tightening right there. keep that down. And that's about it. Don't need to be super duper duper tight with this machine. All right. And that's tight. So they are not going nowhere. Remember, this is only 35 foot-pounds, so you're not really getting the torque that you need to do a serious job with this. This is basically household things and basic mechanical things. So I did change the exhaust with this, and that's blah 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 stuff. All right, you guys, we got the 13mm Nikio socket set, and we have the HART battery power socket, and we are about to give this some torque. Here goes our baby. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna finalize this HART battery socket review. This thing is amazing. I used this to take off my exhaust. My dad used it to take off. He was rebuilding his engine. He was doing fuel injectors, the whole 9 yards. So most stuff that you do in your engine, he used this for. Now, this don't have enough power to take off lug nuts, so there's really even no point in me testing that. If you want me to test it, I could, but it won't work. I do also want to get something that's a little bit more powerful, so I am looking at Ryobi, Cobalt, maybe DeWalt, Milwaukee. Milwaukee is a little expensive, but we will look into other battery sockets. So let me know what y'all think about the review of the HART. I had this for about 4 months now. Like, comment, and subscribe.